Hello everyone, Man of Revit with you and new Revit tutorials. Please like this video and share it to your friends and subscribe because I will make more and more videos from zero to hero level for free. And this will be a quick tutorial. Once we will start, I will talk again about walls in the wall series tutorials, and I just want to go to walls architecture. Or first, I will check my units. I know it's in meter, but you have to check your units once you start any project. So first you check your units and then go to WA in shortcut in keyboard and just start to uh, click and draw like so, and maybe like so, and start, and just we will finish here. And in modify I can trim, extend to corner, or TR from shortcut keyboards, and I will finish my room. Now I have this room. I can change it by graphically like so. Now I want to talk about a little options. And first, when I select uh, any wall, I find here some options. One of them is create similar, and we talk about it many times. And when I click on it, I can draw like this object again, and I can draw a wall again. The other option I want to talk about, if I select multiple walls, I can find here options create create group, and I find the option of create similar is off. That's because I select many objects. So create object, create similar, CS, it should be one. When I select one, only one object, okay? But if I select multiple objects, it will be off. So when I just select this object, I will go to create group. When I hit create group button, first he will ask me about the name. I can name it walls, who cares? And I finished. I create a group. When I click anywhere and just click again, it will be one group. I can move it as one part. When I select it again, I have here some options. I can ungroup it again, so it become uh, I ungroup them. But I will select it again and make a group, create a group, any name. Okay, so now it go back to a group. I can now edit this group, so I will select this group and just edit group. When I edit group, I notice that here is some options from of edit groups. I can add to group any other object. So I can click add, and I notice here that there is a plus sign to my mouse cursor. So I just click here to add this to my group, and then I click finish. When I click finish and I select it again, I notice that this object attached to my group. If I edit group again, and I can remove any object from my group, and I will select this again, and I just click finish, it become an individual object, and this is my group again. If I edit group again, there's attached options, and I will talk about it again, but you can attach a detail group to a model group. So if you have some details and you make it as a group, so you can attach this group to this to my group, and we will talk about it later. Now I will cancel and select my group, and I just click ungroup it. So now it's not in one group. Now I will delete this, and I will go to home, this little icon home, to go to 3D, and I just click on it, and I will find this is the base constraint is level 1, and I top constraint I will set it as level 2. So now this is in from level 1 to level 2. Okay. The last thing I will talk about is this little icon, uh, edit profile. Now I can edit this profile. Now this is a rectangle, just a rectangle a wall. If I want to modify it, I can select or edit the height of it from here, or graphically from here like so. But I prefer to just control that and select that. If I want to edit the length of it, I can edit it from this control bars, or from level 1 like so. Or I can right here a 5, maybe 5, and bring it again in horizontal. But when I go to 3D, I want now to edit this profile. So if I click here and just hit edit profile button, I will go to the sketch mode, and I will find it turn it to 2D object. Now I can go to a suitable view to uh, to candy draw on it, and I can just add any shape to my world. If I click once and click again, and I can here edit the dimensions, I can make it 1.5 here and 1.5 here, and just click yes or okay. Now I find this my walls have a hole on it. This hole I can edit by graphically also by just use my arrow uh, here, or I can edit profile again and just move it and graphically, or again I can use this options to uh, constrain my uh, profiles. I can click yes, or I can add more shapes to it. I will make here just a little circle and just click OK, and I will find that my profile is is now have two holes. And I will go to edit profiles again. I can also fill it arc. Here we have a lot of options, but here we can fill it arc, so I can fill it my wall edges like so. Here also I can fill it my rectangle, but I will leave it as is, and I just finish OK. So now my wall has become like so. I can go to realistic to find it like so. We will talk about edit profiles much, and but now I think it's pretty much for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.